Today, I'll show you an easy way to chat with your website visitors on the platform they already use. This tool allows your customers to find all the important information from your site without any hiccups. For example, track your orders, find relevant documentation, or frequently asked questions, or even search your site. It's simple, quick, and keeps communication easy. So, let's take a look at how to set it up. Now, the tool I'm going to use today is called Chat Widget by BitAssist. As you see, currently it has more than 7,000 active installations and a good rating is 4.5 stars. It has a free version, this one here, and it has a pro version. The main difference is the platform you can use with a free version or with a pro version. If you would like to get the pro version, then currently there is a early Black Friday deal going on. You'll get it up to 50% off. And currently there are single site, 5 sites and unlimited sites licenses. Lifetime plan for unlimited sites is $199. For 5 sites it's $159, and for single site it's $92. These are the lifetime prices, but there are also annual prices. For single site it's $27. For 5 sites it's $55, and for unlimited sites it's $66. Those are the official prices, but if you take a look at the description of this video, then there is a nice evergreen 40% off coupon for you. You can use it later when the campaign is off. Just follow the link, use the coupon, and you're good to go. Setting this up is really easy. After installing the plugin, there is a BitAssist menu on the left. There is only one submenu, all widgets. If you open it up, you'll see all the widgets that has been created. To add a widget, just click on Add Widget button, give it a title, for example, Chat Widget, create, and now let's add some channels. Now these are all the platforms that are available for the pro version, but just to display what is the difference, I also have another site with a free version available. If I create the widget here and add a channel, you'll see that custom iframe, crisp, intercom, frequently asked questions, knowledge base, live chat messenger, talk, TDO, WordPress search and WooCommerce platforms are available only for the pro version. So let's start by adding a WooCommerce platform. I'm going to add a custom image, for example, this one here. Now I'm going to click on Add Fields, Order ID field and Billing Email field. I can choose whether they are required or not. I'm going to set them to be required. Now I can choose what order details will be displayed: shipping status, total items, amount, billing name, shipping name. I'm going to disable billing name and shipping name. Button text is submit, and form theme color, I'm going to choose something like this. I'm going to display it on desktop and on mobiles. Track your order. I'm going to save it, open my site up. You'll see there is a chat icon. I'm going to open it up. There is a track your order. If I click on it, it opens up. So let's test how does it work. I'm going to enter my order ID and email, submit, and there's my order. Shipping status on hold. So first channel has been added. Let's add another one, this time WordPress search. Let's add my custom icon here. Add a title, search the site. I'm going to leave the form theme color as it is. On click, channel opens up in new tab, and I can hide it after office hours. I'm going to come back to it in a bit. At the moment I'm going to save it, refresh it, and there you go. Search the site. It displays all the content I have with a pagination, and I can do a live search. Awesome. Now let's talk about the office hours. In order to see it, I'm going to go to the settings, enable business hours, and I can set those up here. If the hide after office hours has been activated, then the channel will not display here. What else you can see under the settings is you can enable widget active badge. It will be displayed up here, just to demonstrate it. As you see, the small one here, I'm gonna change the color so you can maybe view it a bit better. So refresh, and the yellow dot here. It says that someone is logged in and the chatbot is active. Okay, what else you can do here? You can display a call to action message. Let's add something here. Stay connected, and we're gonna display it after 3 seconds. Refresh. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Stay connected. I don't like it, so I'm gonna delete it. Next one, widget behavior, whether to click to open, hover to open, or opened by default. And attention animation, wiggle, jump, shockwave. Animation delay, 1 second. Let's see what does it do for us. As you see, it wiggles here. I don't like any animations, so I'm gonna deactivate it. Okay, back to the channels, and let's add another one. This time it's gonna be frequently asked questions. Let's add a question. What are the shipping costs? I'm gonna open it up and add an answer. Another one. Where can I download the plugin? And description. Let's add another one here. This time it's, are there any costs for updates? And a description. You can rearrange the questions as you like and as many questions as needed. Let's save it, refresh it, open it up. It's here and it looks like this. Open up the question with answer, another one, and close it down. Just for the sake of demonstration, let's also add knowledge base, rename it as documentation, and add knowledge base questions with answers. Basically, it works in a similar way as frequently asked questions, but to demonstrate, I'm going to add a couple of questions. So, where can I find the license key? Here's the answer. Another one, what are your opening hours? And an answer. Save it, refresh it, and there you go. Documentation, question, answer. Close it down, and done. Under the customization, you can customize the widget style, whether it looks like this or this. I like this version more. You can change the widget color. For the sake of demonstration, let's add this one here. Refresh it, and there you go. You can choose the icon or upload your own icon. Choose the widget position, margin from the right or bottom side, widget size, shape, and you can add your own custom CSS. And last one, you can choose whether to display it on desktop and mobiles or one of those. There is also external publish option here. That is, even though you don't have this plugin installed on any other sites, you can add it on external sites with this piece of JavaScript. It doesn't have to be WordPress, it can be Joomla, Magento, Drupal, Wix, Webflow, whatever it is. Just add a domain. Let's do that. I have one local site that is in my computer. Let's see whether it works. I'm going to add a domain that is allowed for this widget. Now I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go to my other site, open up plugins. I'm going to deactivate Bit Assist here. I'm going to deactivate and delete. Now I'm going to go to the appearance and customize. For your site, it may work in a different way, but since I'm using Blocksy theme, it allows me to add code snippets. So I'm going to add this code snippet after body tag, publish it, and you'll see there's the same widget here. I'm going to open it up, track the order, search the site, see the frequently asked questions, or open up the documentation. Easy peasy. Now there is one more channel I would like to display you. Let's add a channel and take a look. There is a custom form. Let's give it the title, Contact Us. You can change the image if needed. You can add fields, for example, text field, name, another one email, another one text area, but you can also add number, GDPR, file, feedback, rating, or date. I'm going to add a text area, and title is message. All those are required. Button text, send message, add your recipient email. If you're using webhooks, that means you need to be a techie person, then you can add your webhook URL here. One more thing, if you need to store responses, then activate this one here. Save it, refresh it, open it up, and there you go. A nice contact form. Let's test it out. Name, email, message, send message. Here's a confirmation. And now when you go to the channels, open up the contact and see the responses, then you'll see all the responses. Another nifty feature over here. Now one more thing before I go. Let's talk about the team behind the Bit Assist. The team behind Bit Assist is the same that is behind the awesome Bit Social plugin, which allows you to auto-post on social media using WordPress. I have made a separate video about this plugin and how to set it up. This video is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.